and today I have a special guest. Drum roll, please. It's Stephanie from XX Stephanie Flower. Hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe to her channel. And also Yay Time. Here we have 2 surprises to open. So let's open the biggest one. Ooh, what's this? Let's see. Let's tear it open. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, over here. Okay. Whoa, this is big. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, it's a Noms Snackables Silly Shakes maker. Whoa, you can make slime in here. And cool, look, this is the special edition Nom Nom. Ooh. So this says that you pick the toppings and flavors, then you mix it, then you serve it. It's so cool. It's like slime, but it looks like a shake. Wait, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Who makes the slime first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So you make the slime first. Okay, let's start. This is what we've got. We've got the glue for our slime, some Silly Shakes cups, this special Nom Nom, this knife, these flavors, and these sprinkles for the slime, and we have this Silly Shakes maker set. So Stephanie will make the slime first. Okay, let's make the ball. OMG, you guys! We got solid glue. So we had to use our own glue to make our own slime. Let's do this. Okay, let's get the glue. Now we can add our color. There. Now we have to put it in the mixer. Slide it. Now let's start mixing. The slime is looking pretty good. Use a knife. So sticky. The slime's ready, so let's put it in the tube. Whoa, that's so cool. Now we have our slime. Now it's my turn. And this time we're using all the ingredients. And then right here, where's the pink? now the confetti. There. Now it's time to mix. Wow.
It's so dark.
I know. It's like a galaxy. Okay, so we've got our purple slime, and now let's put it inside. Oop. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Now push. Okay, so we finished making this purple slime, and it looks so pretty. What do you like, Blue? I like this one. What do you like, Steph? I think I like this one. Okay, we're opening the last surprise now. Yay, let's get it on. Ooh, what's this? Nom Nom! Wow. We got the Noms Snackables snow cones, and we got the Noms Snackables slime kit. Best day ever. Which one do you want to open first? How about the Snowcone one? Sure.
Let's
open. Whoa! Cool. What's inside of here? Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? Oh. Ooh, we have that spoon. Cool. And we have the list over here. What do you think? What is this? Let's see. I think this is the snow cone. Whoa. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Okay, so we read the instructions, and it said that we have to put water inside. So let's try it. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
This is so cool.
Ooh. Whoa. That's so cool. It's coming up. Wow.
Ooh, I can feel it.
Cool.
Let's touch it.
Whoa. So now we have to dip inside. Whoa. Whoa. It feels so. Whoa.
Can I try blue?
Sure. Whoa. Whoa, I see something!
Let's dig in.
Ew, what's that?
Oh my gosh, you can see it. Let's go
Whoa.
with our hands.
Whoa, what's this? I found something!
Oh, there's another one over here. I can see something blue.
Ooh, it's red. It looks so cute! There's 3 stacked on top of each other. Cute.
Oh,
Okay, let's see what else we can find.
over here. There's something
Whoa.
blue. Ooh,
Okay.
it's a mint scent.
Smells good. Ooh, look, this is so cute. It's so blue. Okay, what else?
There's also this one right here.
Whoa, what's that?
Ooh.
Looks like a jelly bean, kinda.
I think it's jelly bean.
Yeah, let's see what else. Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa, I see
think
something.
There's one over here.
I see something.
Oh,
Wow.
Ooh, another one.
Blue. I wonder what that
What
is.
is this?
It looks like a fruit. What else is in here? Whoa.
There's
I
something
see
yellow.
it. It's yellow.
And it's what is this?
This looks like a pineapple. This looks so cute.
That's not the every snow, so we can see if there's more. There's
Another one. What is that?
I can't really see it, but it's right there.
Ooh. This one is so cute. It's like a wafer. Look. So cute.
I think there might be more.
There's one more. There.
Wait,
So
it's a
cute.
mint. Wait, hold on.
It's a mint candy.
Oh, that's the one that smells.
It's a mint candy. Ooh, what's this in the middle? Okay.
This was nice.
So I think that's it. It looks like we got minty hops. We got the cherry triplets. We also got BB bunny. We also got vanilla wafer. And we also got summer slice. They're all so cute. Oh, and I almost forgot. We also got Tanya Tusks. She's so cute. And my favorite one is the vanilla wafer. She's so cute.
My favorite one is the mint one.
Let's open the last one. Whoa.
Wait, you're supposed to put this in the freezer, I think.
Maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Let's try to put some on the bread. Let's put some. I think you have to get some inside. Wow, cool. And then we just spread it on the bread.
This jam smells so good.
Yeah, it smells delicious.
I just want to eat this.
Okay, so then we put the strawberries and the banana. Cute! These are all the things we unboxed today. Thank you, Steph from XX Stephanie Flower, for helping me unbox all these things today. Join us on another Yay Time. Bye! Bye!